This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So we have a true refrigerator and the torsion spring. It's a big part, this part right here. It's inside these hinge assemblies and it allows the door to close pretty quickly. So this side's working, closes strong. This side, let go and doesn't really close. So I noticed that in the back of this one on the tension adjustment, there's a pin in there which is supposed to be there. So if you move it, you can see the pin, but on this side there's a stop going down this way, but there should be a horizontal this way, so it must have fallen out. So to fix that, I just have to turn it this way to create more tension on the torsion spring, and then put a pin back in there. That should do the trick. I'm going to pull the fridge out so I can get to this, just a little bit past this wall. There we go. So now we can get to this, and we're going to turn it this way to put the tension on it.
So I'm using a couple of small screwdrivers to turn this spring torsion adjustment to my left to make the torsion or spring a little tighter so the door closes faster. And then once I get it pulled all the way to my left, about a full turn, I'm going to take a screw and I'm going to put it into the hole and then drive it in with the Phillips screwdriver. This is a better type of arrangement. The one that was there before was just a friction fit, and this is going in with some actual threads from the screw, so it should hold longer. And you can just hopefully have a bunch of spare screws like I have in my kit, and you can find one that's the right aperture, the right size. But that'll lock it in, and that should cure the problem so it doesn't happen again.
Test it now. See if it's similar to the other one. Try to match it. Let go. Let go. T49HC. Pin right there.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.